So, everyone wants to know, what's the hardest thing about going solar? Well, the hardest thing is realizing it's not hard at all. Thanks to Sunrun, going solar is simple. You say yes, and our team of solar experts takes care of the rest. Here's how it works. Step 1, we start with a quick phone or in-person chat with one of our friendly solar consultants. In about the time it takes you to say, I'm super interested in learning about solar, we'll have a customized quote, an estimate for how much you'll save, and a cool diagram showing your home solar design. When you're crazy excited at this point, simply sign the agreement and bingo. You'll lock in low electricity costs for the next 20 years. Step 2, you do nothing. This is sounding better and better, isn't it? We'll submit your solar design for city review, approval, and permitting. Then either Sunrun or one of our certified partners will install the system. Get ready, you're almost the envy of the neighborhood. Step 3, after we get those beautiful panels on your roof, a final inspection is required by the city. We'll handle that too. Step 4, ta-da! Now the real fun begins. Your utility company will swing by and install a net meter which connects the Sunrun solar system to the grid. They'll also give you the A-OK to turn on the system. It's called Permission to Operate, or PTO. But you won't care because you'll be too busy saving money and generating renewable energy from your roof. Pretty easy, right? So let's get started. Get a free Sunrun solar quote today.